All right, it's time for some more Daily Dose. We got two videos today. Two videos. Let's go ahead and get this. Going.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This delivery guy had no idea that his door was open, so this other guy tried to chase him down.
There goes another one.
There was a...
Your back door's open. Your back door's open and packages have fallen. Thank you. About a half dozen or more I've ran over.
Dude. Well, at least someone, you know, was being helpful.
The Uber driver.
Wait, hold on. What happened there?
Packages have fallen. Thank you. About a half dozen or more I've ran over.
Okay. Oh! In the
Uber
face.
driver said that the voice in his map app wasn't working properly.
Okay.
He was a little too excited to get a PS5 for Christmas.
I still haven't looked at what it is.
Yeah, because you're not going to spend time with me anymore after this, so...
Oh, no, but I want to spend time with you, though.
I know, but you're not.
Okay.
But you're not.
Just go ahead and look at it.
Well, yeah. It's over for you.
Her
Wow.
dog had no idea that she was coming home.
Oh. They're excited. They're overly excited.
She dropped her iPhone in the lake and tried to fish it back out.
Izzy, reach your hand in there. Izzy, reach. Be careful. Slowly reach your hand in there.
You get one
Oh,
shot.
that's the phone. Oh, I thought, dude, I actually literally thought that was a fish. I couldn't tell that was a phone. No, turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off immediately. Turn it off.
Putting a piñata on top of a roof probably isn't the best idea.
Oh no. My. Yeah, that was not a good idea.
Your order is not ready to be picked up, ma'am.
Okay, well, bye.
For some reason, all these fish started jumping out of the water when it started to rain.
I'm sure Lizzie knows what this means. This means that there's a good fishing spot. There's a good fishing spot right there. Right? There's a frenzy going on. There's a frenzy. There's a fishing frenzy going on. She needs to get out her fishing pole. That little snail. He's holding on for dear life. Nice. Good aim. What the hell?
This is a horse trail, and sometimes grass will grow in the same shape as their feet.
Huh.
In the form of their
Huh.
steps. What?
Kind of neat.
Why is that so cute?
Kind of neat. Uh-oh. Oh. I thought he was about to drop it. I thought he was about to fall over. Hey, man, he's got a spotter. And the spotter's got a spotter. The spotter's got a spotters, and then spotter, and then there's a spotter for the spotter. Everybody. Nice. Extra safe. Oh my god, it's a watermelon. We had a video last time of a baby getting freaking ranch dressing. Now we got one of a kid getting a freaking melon.
I think she might be forgetting something.
Right.
Wow.
Oh. Oh, it's a foot massager. Okay.
This guy went to a gas station, but for some reason his car wouldn't stop farting.
I genuinely don't know.
I'm pretty sure that's bad. I'm pretty sure that's a bad sign, but it is funny.
Oh my god.
This dog wipes their
Did you feed your freaking car some beans?
paws every time they come inside the house.
Nice. Good boy or girl. Bonk.
Poor little guy saw himself in the mirror for the very first time.
Huh? Boom. Oh!
This Japanese taxi driver said tourists will leave him cash from their home countries as souvenirs for him to remember them by.
Huh.
Tanzania, Botswana, Tunisia, Morocco,
Damn, dude.
Egypt, Libya, Gaddafi, Congo,
Damn.
Ethiopia, Cable, Happy
That's look. I would rather have money that, you know, is actually in the country you are, but at the same time, that is kind of cool. I won't lie.
#1 country, Bhutan,
Bhutan.
Genghis Khan, Mongol.
So I guess there's an app that makes it feel like you're FaceTiming Mike Tyson.
What?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
No. You're the champ. You're the champ.
No, you're the champ.
Oh, okay.
See you tomorrow.
This is what it looks like when pilots have to land in a heavy rainstorm.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
This guy was staying at a hotel in Iceland when
What
his
the
volcano started
hell?
erupting.
Oh, there you go. There you go, Lizzie. There you go. Freaking watching a volcano from your freaking window.
Cool. And then later I'm like, Joe, I can't unsee that. Like,
Oh, damn. I guess screw that car. Oh, he's gonna go all the way down, isn't he? He's gonna go all. Oh.
I think this bird might be malfunctioning.
No. Sounds perfect. Bonk.
This is what it looks like when a drone show suddenly malfunctions.
Uh-oh. No! Well. Rip all those drones. That dog is just... That dog does not look like it's having a good time.
He had no idea that he was stepping on his son's foot.
Okay, your turn. You can hold my hand. You can hold my hand.
Ow.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I stepped on your toe.
Shut up.
His dad was trying to
Get
prank
out.
him.
What? Oh.
Yeah. Hold it level.
Oh, no. No, they got them both. He... Huh? Hey, what? Huh? Huh? Rude? Oh no. Oh no.
You never know when you might be walking past someone's house.
Eh? Why, hello there. Hello there. Oh! Oh, someone has the zoomies.
I'm not sure if they're confused or trying to create a black hole.
I don't know why they do that.
I guess there's only supposed to be one guy underneath those clothes.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Damn! All
She
right.
got a new kitten that was raised by dogs.
Bark. Bark.
Why did nobody tell me that owls can sit like this?
It's just what the hell. All right, hold on. BRB. Give me a second. BRB. All right. Look at the little chunky owl. It's cute though.
That is the end of this video. Hopefully everyone has a good 2025, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Dude, I love those shots of waves like that. Thank you for the nuggies. All right, next.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. These scientists wanted to see how long it would take these ants to solve this puzzle.
Found me in owl form. Dude, there are days I feel like that little owl. There definitely are days I feel like that little owl for sure. Also, why are the ants trying to? Why though? I don't understand it. I'm guessing it's food, maybe? Spirit animal, maybe. There are definitely days I feel like it, that little owl, that's for sure. One's his finger. God damn it.
He wants to cry so badly, but he's so confused.
Huh?
This
You are
bar
messing with that
realized they forgot
baby's
to do the New
brain.
Year's Eve countdown.
Oops. Rip. No. Oh. Okay. Well, at least it didn't seem like it traumatized the kids. What the hell? Okay.
So this is pretty cool. This baby lizard was pushed out, but the amniotic sac was still unbroken. So this person helped it officially start its life.
Boop. Well, now you're the new parent.
Bailey, are you sad?
No.
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 So this is pretty scary. Police in China are using these weird tire things to fight criminals and to deal with angry protesters.
Release the droids.
His dad was trying to put out this fire that started.
Oh wait, this is a place where you can do s'mores.
What?
Perfect.
He wanted to see how fast he could spin an apple using air.
Well, okay then. Pretty fast, apparently.
I don't think these are supposed to bend like this.
Ow!
I get out with you.
This dad built a really cool sledding track in his backyard.
Can't go from too high up, otherwise you get too much speed. Boom.
Hell yeah. Damn, man.
Poor little guy couldn't figure out where she went.
Oh. Well, I mean, it's a corgi. They can't see very high up. It's a, you know, I mean, they could only see like, you know, a foot and a half. Oh, oh, you should. Okay, that's a redo. Even I would say that's a freaking redo right there. What the hell?
I found this guy that can make really, really big bubbles.
Bubbles, my bubbles, my bubbles. That is a big bubble. And it's freaking the abyss. It's freaking the abyss. What the hell?
So I guess this is why 2024 wasn't too great.
What the hell?
It was so cold outside that this Tesla owner couldn't open her door.
Yeah, we've seen a few of these. We've seen a few of these videos where Tesla owners are kind of screwed when it's very cold outside.
Until your kids learn to control themselves.
Where is it? It's on the chin. Let me see. Want to hold it? Where'd it go? Look. Look on your hand. 1, 2.
The hell?
This manatee has an emotional support log.
I mean, you know, log.
What rolls downstairs, owner and pairs, rolls over your neighbor's dog. What's great for a snack and fits on your back? It's love, love, love. It's love, love.
A few years ago, a student brought in a typewriter because his professor didn't allow laptops in the classroom.
Oh. Nice.
This dog wasn't too happy about being at daycare.
That's not a dog.
Every year, there's a race that takes place in Argentina where all the waiters in the city try to cross the finish line the fastest while also balancing drinks on a platter. These firefighters are trying to battle this fire, but a fire tornado sucked up their hose.
Uh-oh.
He said get in the truck.
Well, that's something that doesn't happen every day. The fire is playing tug of war with the firefighters.
I've heard a cat sound like this before.
Up. Good
Meow.
boy, George. Spin. George, spin. George, spin. Come on, spin.
He got to experience snow for the very first time.
Oh, no.
This poor bird doesn't know how to eat.
That's not how it works there, buddy. Not how it works there, little guy.
Go.
Now you just gotta sweep it all up. I mean, the truth is, you're trying to get it out the door. It would probably knocked everything off anyway.
This
Hey,
tree was
singing
getting
luck,
super weighed down because there were so many birds in it.
Holy crud!
Wow!
That is a lot of birds. That's a crazy amount of birds. Oh! Well.
Excuse me, Buck. Hey,
Huh?
hi.
Hi,
Can you
hey.
stop eating my holiday arrangement? You back off, buddy. Okay, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho,
He
ho.
got busted.
This giant dust oval was spotted on top of a mountain in Portugal.
Damn. Dude, that's freaking... Look. It's a little scary, but at the same time, that's freaking kind of cool.
She really thought this engagement ring was for her.
She's gonna eat it. No, she's gonna eat it. She's gonna try to eat it.
Mom's. It's more. No, that's. Oh, do you want me to put it on you?
These people found a baby orphan koala and taught it to climb
Cute.
for the very first time.
Oh, clever girl. Who's a clever?
So this is pretty cool. A few days ago, some parts of the Sahara Desert got hit by a snowstorm.
Really? Huh.
Angry, don't.
Oh.
This family was driving around in Canada when they realized that a wolf was chasing after them.
I don't know if it was.
This is
I
how
don't know how I'd feel about that. I mean, there's the whole thing of, you know, it's a wolf. Could it be, you know, just running down the road, or is it actually like following you?
Construction companies destroy solid rock to begin their construction project.
Uh-oh. Big boom. Big boom. Big
That is,
boom.
yeah,
No, we gotta see that again. We gotta see that again. That was very satisfying. That was
is
very
the end of this
satisfying.
video. I hope you enjoyed.
Oh, that
And
is
I'll see you guys
oh,
again
that's
very soon. Later.
that's a beautiful shot, but man, that was a lot of freaking people there. What the heck? Still cool though. But yeah, no, I'm sorry.
Solid rock to begin their construction project.
One more time. So satisfying.
That is the end of this video.
All right.
I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.
Later.